Pwede na daw dito mag-jerjer ang katao-tao. Nagluluto si mahal ko para bukas mag-picnic. Tapos boiled din ako ng munggos. Bukas ko nalagyan ng coconut milk at isda.
I'm trying something out. It's called chicken peri peri. Let's hope it's going to taste good. Give it another view inside my pan. It's just starting, okay? It shall be finished. It's a slow cook.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's delicious.
The best to magluto or the best.
The next day.
Hello! Good morning, mga higala!
Are we deaf?
Kumusta? 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 So, gala na naman kami, mga higala. Pupunta kami ngayon sa
Helderberg Nature Reserve.
Yeah. Mag-picnic kami doon, mga higala, no? Kasi maganda yung weather today.
Yeah, we're going to have a picnic and then we're also going for a walk. I don't know what, I'm going for a walk. I suppose I'm going to have to carry you because you're going to be too lazy to walk. Yeah.
Para maiba naman, mga higala, no? Para ano ba, bigyan yung sarili namin ano, mawala sa stress ba? Dito na kami, mga higala, no? Papasok na kami. So magbayad muna si mahal ko ng parking. May bayad dito pag mag-park. Mga higala, nandito na kami. Ano na, upo-upo na. Maya-maya kakain na kami. Kain na kami ngayon. So ito na yung niluto ko na munggos, mga higala, oh. Yan, munggos. Ito na. Tapos, yung piri-piri chicken ni banana. So, ito na. Tapos, rice.
Ooh, strong, huh? What did you...
So, kainan na, mga higala. Kasi nagutom na kami. Ang munggos kong mga higala is nilagyan ko ng isda, no? Oh, sa Bisaya pa, suba. Suba na ho, isda. Then, nilagyan ko din ng cabbage. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng chili.
It's spicy. It's like...
It's spicy. So, nabusog kami, mga higala, no? Akala ko hindi kakain si Bana ng ano, munggos ginataan. Kumain pala, mga higala. First time pa niya nakatikim today. Napagod siya, mga kahigalaan, no? He wants to sleep.
Too many problems, too much stress. She gives me too much stress.
Maya-maya pa kami uwi, mga kahigalaan, kasi nga mag-ano pa kami, maglakad-lakad pa kami doon para makita nyo, no, kung ano ang HERDERBERG Nature Reserve, diba? Maraming nag-ano dito, nagbaktas-baktas, tingin-tingin sa ano, surrounding.
It's a beautiful surrounding.
Yeah.
It's very peaceful here.
Peaceful talaga.
A lot of people come here, but it's very peaceful.
Yeah. Till 4 PM lang dito, mga higala. Kasi nga dahil sa lockdown. Pero level 2 na kami dito. Ang dami ng tao, mga higala, oh. Kanina kasi maaga kami dumating dito. So kaya medyo unti lang yung mga tao. Pero ngayon marami na. Tingnan nyo. Umihi ako, mga kahigalaan, oh. Tapos pumasok ako sa CR ng mga lalaki kasi hindi ko nga alam. Diyos mio, Marimar. Tignan nyo si Banana, oh. So,
Are you sure?
yeah, baktas-baktas na kami, mga kahigalaan.
Just because you're so restless and then you went there to that big house there and you knocked on the door and you said, "How can I use your toilet?"
Lakad-lakad na kami, no? Ito na yung banana ko.
Actually, no banana.
Ayaw niya talaga tawagin ng banana.
Banana trees here, honey.
Ha?
Is the banana trees here? Banana tree. No, we're not in the Philippines now, okay? No banana trees here, okay?
Maybe you want the strawberry honey. Hello, strawberry honey.
Yes, strawberry, okay?
Sana all.
Ito yung restaurant nila. Oh, yan. Tapos yung ano, dito mostly sila mag suroy-suroy ba? Mag-jogging. Padong namin sa mga kahigalaan sa langit.
You ready? I'm ready for this adventure. I haven't got hiking boots on, but I've got sandals on. I hope the snakes don't get hold of me, okay?
Wala kami sa na mag-hiking kami dito, no? Ang ganda pala dito mga higala. Parang nasa lang kami ba? Nasa province lang. Naka-remember ko yung
Come, old lady.
yung nasa ako sa amin. Ganito kasi
10-kilometer walk, huh?
kalibunan mga kahigalaan. So ito mga higala, oh. Di ba ang ganda? Oh. Ang ganda mga higala. Nakita niyo yan mga higala? Oh.
In the distance, we live down in Somerset West. You can't quite see our side, I think, but you can see the Hollow Strand right up to Gordon's Bay.
Yeah. Ang ganda mga higala. As in,
And
dami din
look at the mountains, you know, look at the mountains in the distance.
ang dami din
And the sea in the distance.
nag-walking
Yeah?
doon, oh.
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. Kumbati ba na? Kaya pa nagsara ni. Shh! Shh! Ito lang din yung nag-hiking, nag-shoulder bag mga higala, no?
Oh,
Hangak.
if you get tired, you can come sit here. Come, older woman, let me take your hand. Come, let me take you. And you can go sit down here nicely, okay? Come. Slowly.
No way.
Come, sit here, sit.
May upuan dito mga higala, oh.
Look at the dam.
Yeah.
There's the dam we were going to walk around.
Ang ganda dito mag-date-date ba? Kung mga bata noon pa mga higala, no? Ang ganda dito mag-date-date ba sa gabi, no? Muni-muni muna kami dito mga higala, no? While kami tingin-tingin ba? Tingin-tingin kami sa mga surrounding. Ang ganda ng simoy ng hangin.
We're actually on the HERDERBERG mountain.
Yeah.
Behind us is what they call Top Hat. I think it's called Top Hat or something like that.
Pasakan na kami mga higala, no? Sabi
Watch out for lions and elephants, okay? Slowly. Non-South Africans, a little bit of a background. This is what we call fynbos. If you look at all of this bush that we are walking through, it's called fynbos, and it's only found in the Western Cape of South Africa, and it's the only place on earth that you find fynbos. Okay, so it is restricted to this part of South Africa, and it's beautiful. You don't see so many flowers now because we're in winter. Come spring, summer, you see many flowers. Many species of protea. Come have a look here. Many species of protea, South Africa's national flower. Okay, but they have got many varieties of protea flowers. So, beautiful. This one's still going to open up. Okay, and when they open up, they got all those funny leaves.
Grabe mga kahigalaan. Hindi ko na-expect nito na ganito pala kaganda dito mga kahigala, no? Tignan nyo yung mga flowers. Oh, ganda, oh. Ang dami talagang dito mga kahigala, naglalakad. Safety naman dito mga kahigala kasi may may mga security guard dito. So, safety siya maglakad-lakad dito. Kaya nga mahal yung entrance. Oh no! Ito ng banana ko. Napagod na yan ba? Nakatsinilas lang. Hindi pala si Banana yung napagod. Ako ang napagod mga higala, no? Taas pa yung baktasunon mga higala. Si Banana hindi niya in-expect din na kami dito. Magbaktas-baktas. Kasi yung plano lang talaga namin is mag-picnic lang, mag-upo-upo lang dito doon. Tapos kain-kain. Hindi namin alam na maganda pala dito magbaktas-baktas, no? So yun. Kaya naka-sleeper lang siya. Ang ganda talaga dito na mga higalaw. Tingnan niyo ang bundok.
Okay, now we're walking up this steep hill. I think Mama's getting tired. That's why she made me carry this gimbal, because it's getting too heavy for her. There she goes. You can see she's tired.
No.
It's DJ.
You can't get.
Nagkautot-utot na. Yung husband ko mga kahigalaan na nagkautot-utot na din.
Buang ka.
Buwak ko ko. Aray, Diyos ko Lord. Kautot-utot, nag-umantig baktas. Aray, Diyos ko Lord. Aray, kapuja.
This is like going to home in Tigba. Road is like the road going to Mum's house, yeah? And Mum's house is just around the corner. I didn't want to let you know in the Philippines, okay? That's why I blindfolded you when we came up here.
Sabi ni Bana mga higala is itong lugar daw para daw sim papuntang bahay namin. Kasi sa amin kasi papunta sa bahay Ilaya nasa bundok. Yan sabi niya pa.
Yeah, in Tigba, Elijah village, okay? When we get to Mum's house, we can have cassava cake and we can have tea, okay?
Nasa top na kami mga higala, oh. Naghintay na si Banana sa akin.
Getting lost on the one track. You lose your way, you can only go up or down, okay?
Sabi ni Banana mga higala is pwede na daw dito mag-jerjer.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
walang katao-tao. Kalibunan mga higala.
Jerjer in nature, yeah? Yeah.
Ang bastos ng hinapo. Oh, shell! Shell! Don't! Buang-buang naghikam-hikam sa akong lobot.
I know you like it also, okay? Ooh la la. Ooh.
What the fuck?
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Bastos! Bastos!
We have not reached the top of the mountain or the top of the trail, but we have come up quite a hike. You can see the mountain behind us. Maybe one day we'll go hiking to the top, but I don't know if it's allowed. We're going to head this way and we're going to head down the mountain back to the car park. Let's crack on.
Banana kong mga higala, no, hindi talaga siya maarte, oh. Kasi kung sa Pinas pa to, mabuhi na siya mga kahigalaan pag mag-stay na to sa Pinas. Kasi ano talaga siya, cowboy ba, wala akong problema nito. Pwede na to dadalhin ko sa ano, sa bukid ba, mga hoy. Kasi hindi talaga siya maarte.
Is the little hill we're going down. It's not too much, but doing a video and walking is not the easiest thing in the world, especially on this gimbal, because we're learning how the gimbal works. Sherry May, wave to the people, and we're coming to the bottom of the little hill, and that's it. Guys, we're coming to the end of our little walk.
Yes.
We're going to get to our car soon, yeah? And then Sherry's going to drive us home. Ooh, I hope I'm going to make it home by then, okay?
Kapagod ah! I'm so tired!
We are. Ooh, look at this mountain that we're going to go down now. We have just shown you a little bit of the HERDERBERG area and the place that we live in and where we stay. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And that's us for today, okay? I've got a bit of a mountain to go down here. The end of today's little vlogs. We're ending it off. We're coming to the end of the trail and getting to the car.
Yeah.
So we thought we would just say, do a little vlog on the mountain so you can see us together, okay?
Yan, napagod kami mga higala.
Love you guys lots, okay?
Love you mga higala.
Love you, my higala.
I hope na enjoy kayo today sa pag-watch sa aming laag-laag. Bye-bye!
We just levitate.